Hey, what's up YouTube? Making some halibut today. Made my beer batter. I got my panko over here. So I got all my ingredients over here that I use. Just a bunch of stuff. Run through it real quick. So Alaskan amber beer. Got dillweed in there. Red cayenne pepper. Got some ground mustard. Coarse black pepper. And then kosher Morton salt. And of course the flour for the mix. Alrighty, so 10.6 ounces of beer, 0.3 quarts of flour, one ounce of vinegar, the 0.3 ground mustard, that's in tablespoons. I use black pepper instead of white pepper in this one. It's 0.16 tablespoon. Got the dillweed in there, which is 0.08, K-salt 0.16, cayenne pepper 0.14. And I stuck an egg in there just to give it a little something. So I just grab a chunk of halibut here, about an inch thick, nice square. Just throw it in here, just roll it around. It's kind of liquidy, it's all good. Just let it drip off there for a minute. Alright, and we're going to go over here. I'm going to jump over to the panko. It's going to be dry, just going to flip it a few times. Give it a pop, maybe throw some on top of there, just kind of mix it up a little bit. Give it a little pat, and same on the other side. Alright, shake it off. Bring it right over here. We're just going to drop it right in there. Alright, I'm going to come over here to the kitchen. I'm going to rinse my go to the sink and rinse my hand off real quick. Kitchen. Alright, so come back over here. I got a piece in here that's already going. This has been in here about 2-3 minutes. Let it drip off a little bit. Now, this is my 5th piece I've done. That's what it should look like when it's all done, though, nice and white all the way through. Usually when it's brown like that, nice golden brown, medium brown, it's already cooked all the way through. And then you can use lemon juice. Enjoy, guys.